In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a topic from Google News. First, go to Google News. You can do this by typing news.google.com into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you will see a variety of news articles and categories. This is the main interface of Google News, where you can explore the latest happenings. It's designed to keep you updated on topics of interest. Familiarizing yourself with this platform is crucial because it allows you to navigate more efficiently in the future. Next, sign into your Google account. In the top right corner of the Google News page, you will see a Sign In button if you are not already logged in. Click it to enter your credentials. You will need to provide your email address and password. Once you have entered your details, click the Next button. Signing in is essential because it personalizes your news feed and allows you to manage your interests. After signing in, you will notice a more tailored experience based on your preferences. Now, on the left side of the screen, click on Following. This section organizes all the topics, sources, and local news you are currently following. It helps you manage your interests effectively. By selecting Following, you will see a list of topics that you are subscribed to. This is important because it gives you a clear overview of what you are currently keeping track of. You can easily navigate through your interests from this section. Next, find the Topics section. Within the following area, you will see different categories, including sources, topics, and local. Look specifically for the Topics label. This section lists all the news topics you are following. Identifying the correct section is crucial to ensure you will be able to remove the right topic. Once you find topics, you're one step closer to customizing your newsfeed to suit your preferences. After that, find the topic you want to remove, scroll through the list of topics displayed. Each topic is typically represented by a title and may include an image. Take your time to locate the specific topic you wish to unfollow. This step is significant because it allows you to streamline the information you receive, ensuring that only the most relevant news reaches you. Once you spot the topic, you're ready to take the next action. Now click the three dots next to the topic. These three dots symbolize a menu that provides additional options. After clicking, a small drop-down will appear. It gives you the ability to manage your interests effectively. This step is essential as it opens up the options necessary to remove the topic from your feed. It's a straightforward process that leads to a more personalized news experience. Lastly, select Remove from your interests or Unfollow depending on what Google News shows. Once you make your selection, the topic will be removed from your interests. You will see a confirmation message or a visual cue indicating that the action has been completed. This is important because it ensures that you will no longer receive updates related to that topic. Now you can enjoy a more tailored news experience that aligns with your current interests. By following these steps, you can easily manage your preferences on Google News, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find your news feed more enjoyable now.